Today we will be discussing the projects that you have to make during your summer vacation. For physics, there are two projects. First one is about regular and diffuse reflection, and second one is about law of conservation of energy. You have to use interleave pages, that means one side blank and another side ruled. Pages kind of like this side is blank and this side is ruled. You have to use pages like this for each of the projects. Okay, so starting off with the first topic, this is the reflection of light and types of reflection, diffuse and regular. Okay, so at page number 61 you will find whatever you have to write about this project, and starting off with this format. Maintain this format properly. First thing is topic name. Okay, just at the top of the page, suppose the first topic, the topic name is about regular and diffuse reflection. What is written in the syllabus, properly copy the topic name. Okay, then start off with the introduction. I have highlighted the introduction part with yellow here. Okay, just write only this much in the introduction part. Okay, first thing, in the introduction part only write this much that is highlighted in yellow. You can find this in page number 61. Okay, next, moving on, in the next page you will write about types of reflection. Okay, so in the types of reflection part, start from here, regular and diffuse reflection. Here again I have highlighted it with blue. Okay, types of reflection, there are two types of reflection. First one is regular and second one is diffused reflection. Just write like this, arrange your sentences. Okay, so next we will be going to the subtopics, that is the regular reflection. Regular reflection is highlighted with purple here. Okay, so write only the highlighted purple part in the regular reflection para, and then this figure 4.2. okay, don't write it as figure 4.2, write it as figure 1. Okay, so after writing inside regular reflection the whole thing, at the left side at the blank page you will draw the picture of figure 4.2, but don't write it as figure 4.2, write it as figure 1. Okay, regular reflection, figure 1, regular reflection. Properly draw the diagram with pencil. Okay, next, on the next page, about diffuse reflection and its picture. Here the diffuse reflection I have highlighted with purple again. This part only you have to write, and then this figure you have to draw. Write it like figure 2, irregular reflection or diffuse reflection. Properly draw this one also with pencil, and in the last page you will write this conclusion. Okay, whatever I have written here, this conclusion properly write, and then only the first topic will be completed. Next, moving on to the second topic. The second topic is about law of conservation of energy. You can find this one in the page number 53, 54 and 55. Okay, so the topic was law of conservation of energy, and give one suitable example for explaining it. Same format will be also here. Topic name, a short note on law of conservation of energy with example. First thing you will write at the top of the page, then start off with introduction. Okay, introduction part I have highlighted here with yellow. Okay, only the yellow highlighted part will go in the introduction point. Next, there are 2 points highlighted with blue. Okay, 2 points highlighted with blue, write them in separate para in the second part, law of conservation of energy. This is the second part, law of conservation of energy. Those two blue highlighted parts, write them in separate para inside that column. Okay, law of conservation of energy, these two blue highlighted parts, write them separately in that column. Okay, next, in the next page, example of law of conservation of energy. This you will give this heading, and then from any of these example, suppose here example number 1 I have highlighted it with yellow, example number 2 highlighted with blue, example number 3 highlighted with pink. Any one of the example you have to write totally. Okay, and along with the figure, suppose you are writing the first example, total energy of oscillation of pendulum remains unchanged, totally write the yellow highlighted part along with this figure. Okay, this figure 3.18, write it as figure 3. Okay, or if you want to write about this blue highlighted one, motion of a roller coaster, then write this one totally and then give this figure 3.20, write it as figure 3 and then give it any one of the example that you have to write. Or you can also write about this example highlighted with purple, production of hydroelectricity. In that case, totally highlighted violet part that you have to write, and then at the last this figure and this diagram also have to be given, these two diagrams also have to be given. Okay, and the last page will contain the conclusion part. In the conclusion part, write only this much whatever you have written here. Okay, so this will conclude the second project. Properly follow the format. First, in the first page, topic name, then introduction, then law of conservation of energy. Next, in the second page, example along with the picture in the blank side of the page. Okay, and in the last one, conclusion. Thank you.